Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Swadesh.
How are you, sir?
Good man, good.
Everyone is fine, healthy and fine at home?
हाँ यार,
Good, good,
क्या
good.
चल रहा है?
बस सर, अब वेबिनार कम हो गए हैं तो अभी देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है.
अभी वेबिनार तो कम हो रहा है यार, अभी गुड मैन गुड.
या
बस शेयर करके देख लेता हूँ स्क्रीन.
हाँ सर, कर लीजिए.
नहीं, परमिशन नहीं है अभी.
परमिशन, अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, हो गया सर.
हो गया. दिख रहा है सुदेश?
ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
कितना समय चालू करेंगे? शार्प 4
तो वही
o'clock.
4 बजे, 4 बजे.
ठीक, चलो.
या अनिल सर.
Webinar is streaming live. वीडियो आप चलाएंगे सुदेश?
यस सर, मैं वही वीडियो देख रहा हूँ कि कहाँ गया नया वाला.
फुल का सीक्वेंस कैसा है?
सर पहले वीडियो चलाएंगे, फिर आप अपना प्रेजेंटेशन दोगे. सॉरी, वो इंट्रोड्यूस करोगे.
वेलकम. हाँ. एंड पोल वाला जो है सीक्वेंस वही चारों हैं.
वही है सर, वही है.
चारों स्टार्टिंग में ही करना है ना?
4 करने तो 4 करिएगा, वरना 3 करिएगा.
ठीक है, 3 करते हैं स्टार्टिंग में, उसके बाद चौथा करेंगे.
You guys are starting the video, huh?
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone, and very warm welcome to Tata Do Big Forum. Uh, Do Big Do Big Forum. You all are on a listen-only mode for 50 minute of presentation and 10 minute of question answer. If in case you have any question, please put the question in a question answer box appearing on the right side of your screen. Going forward, we would like to have opinion on some of our polls. Our first poll, which is live on your screen, which will be going to feature in the poll icon at the right side of your screen. What are the top 3 areas? What are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting our industry? Digital transformation, COVID disruption, availability of finance, business continuity, or business growth / expansion. Request you all to please participate. You have 20 seconds to submit your opinion on this particular poll. You can select 3, maximum 3 are allowed. Thank you very much. Moving on to our second poll, which is live on your screen now. What are the top 3 area of investment of your for your company? Again, maximum 3 selection allowed. Meeting to hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology, upgrading infrastructure, operation or marketing and sales. Ten more seconds. Thank you very much. The third poll, which is live on your screen, and the last poll of this session. Which of the following Tata Tele service offering are you aware of? Collaboration solution, IoT solution, connectivity solution, cloud and SaaS, or security solution? You have 15 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you everyone for participating. Going forward, today we have Mr. Yogesh Dubey, who is Senior Product Expert from Tata Teleservice Business Services, who will take up the session on Boost Business using modern enterprise connectivity and other technology solution. Over to you, Yogesh sir.
Yeah, thanks, Swadesh. So hope you are able to see my screen.
So your screen is visible and you are audible.
Oh, great. So hi everyone, very good afternoon to all of you. And this is the universal truth. So change is the only constant. So according to the time, according to the situation, we need to adopt a change. And during this pandemic, we have seen that everybody has adopted change because this was the question of our survival. Okay. So yes, this is the well acceptable terms. Okay. So change is the only constant. And during this pandemic, we have seen that every organization has adopted change, and even during this pandemic, we have seen that most of the SMEs, they have started their business continuity plan. So if something goes wrong tomorrow, so how they can run their business? Okay. Even we have seen that during this pandemic, this cloud adoption has increased. So now everybody is exploring the cloud-based services or hosted services, okay, so that anytime they can access their resources from anywhere across the globe. Okay. Now, also during this pandemic, we have seen that there are a lot of cyber attacks are happening. So now each and every organizations are a bit concerned about their data security. So these are the changes we have seen specifically in SME segment, okay. And also during this pandemic, what the common challenges we have seen, okay. So obviously doing this work from home, it's very difficult for you to track your employees, whether they are working, not working, or what about their productivity, or how they can collaborate, how they can interact with their client or their manager, supervisor, or their colleagues, okay. Also, how they can access their office infrastructure or their voice infrastructure, application server, or any kind of data application. So these are the common challenges we have seen during this pandemic. Okay. But yes, by adopting technology, all these challenges can be addressed. Okay. And I have seen that a lot of SMEs has adopted technologies, specifically digital technology, to run their business. Yes, so this is the simple guidelines. Okay, so if you are planning to adopt any technology, so this type of pointer you should keep in your mind. Okay, so yes, nowadays it's always advisable to just explore the hosted solutions or cloud-based solution because because this technology extend the multiple features. Okay, so by adopting this kind of services or solutions, so yes, you need not to provision your infrastructure. So you can have a huge cost saving for your organization. Also, this type of service provider is offering pay-per-use kind of a model. So whatever the resources you are going to use, accordingly you need to pay. Also, this technology prevents you for over-provisioning of your resources. Okay. So whatever or how much resources is required for your organization, accordingly, you can just select those resources or that much resources and you can provision for your organization. Now there are service providers available who are providing end-to-end services. Okay, so or even some of the service providers, they are offering the bundle services. Okay, so you can just explore such kind of services, service provider or services wherein you can get some value addition. Okay, for your organization. The last but not the least, generally, while we adopt any technology, so we are just forgetting to have the post-sale service and support. Okay, so it's a very important for your organization that you whatever the vendor you are going to finalize or whatever the service you are going to or technology you are going to adopt. So that should have a proper post-sale service and support. Otherwise, there is no need or there is no value addition for that particular service or vendor or technology for your organization, because this is just a bottleneck. Okay. Now, this is one survey. Basis on that, we can see that how the SMEs are adopting digital technology. So, basis on this data, you can see that 43% SMEs they are using the digital technology for their marketing purpose. So, they are just promoting their product and services by using the digital marketing services. Okay. There are 75% SMEs they are using this digital technology, and 73% SMEs they are ready for bounce back post COVID scenario. Okay. Now, as a Tata Tele Business Services, as a technology partner or as a solution partner, yes, we understand the challenges of our customer during this pandemic. And based on your requirement, we have started some new product and services which can fulfill your current requirement. So yes, in connectivity, we have started SD-WAN software defined wide area network. Even the cloud adoption has increased. So we have started point-to-point cloud connectivity. So let's say if you are using any cloud services from any public cloud service provider like AWS or Microsoft Azure, Oracle, IBM, so we can provide a direct private connectivity from your cloud server to your office or to your work from home user. So this we have started. Also, we have started smart internet. So this I will talk about that. Then dual last mile internet. So redundancy is now a big concern for each and every organization. So we are providing our internet connectivity by using two different last mile media. In collaboration, we have done the tie-up with Zoom, and we are providing their collaboration platform. Also, we have started webcasting. So let's say if you are planning to conduct any kind of town hall or a big, I can say a huge webinar. So you can use this webcasting platform. Okay. In cloud, we have started our cloud telephony platform in the name of Smart Flow, and we have also started our cybersecurity solution. Okay. Now I will talk about the cloud telephony platform. So because this is we are getting a huge demand from market, and I can say this is the requirement of the hour. Okay, because there is a kind of hybrid working culture, right? Some people are working from home, some people are working from office, some people are traveling. So any kind of scenario, this cloud telephony platform can be used. Okay. So since this is a cloud telephony platform, so you need not to build any kind of infrastructure at your premises. So infrastructure, I mean, you need not to build a EPBX at your office or your premises. You need not to have any kind of physical connectivity like PRA and SIPTRAC at your premises. So whatever the infra is required, that is built in our data center. Okay, and you can just subscribe basis on your requirement. And this SmartFlow supports work from anywhere concept. So whether your employees are working from home, office, or it's kind of hybrid scenario, so your employee can use this platform. Also, since this is a cloud-based platform, so it's scalable enough. So based on your requirement, you can scale up, scale down. Yes, based on your use. And this platform give you in-depth analytics of your telephony patterns. Okay, so your employee has made call to whom at what time and what they have done the conversation. So all this type of analytics you can find by using this platform. Okay. This platform is not a single services. Rather, we can build a multiple services based on your requirement, or even we can customize this platform based on your specific use cases. Okay. So by using the SmartFlow platform, we can provide the complete IVR solution. So let's say if you want to publish one number, and you are expecting that this number to be dialed by your client, and basis on the greetings and basis on the routing flow, this call will be routed to your employees. Okay, so this type of IVR we can build by using this platform. There is a click to call feature. So if you want to integrate this click to call tab in your applications or your mobile applications, so that can be possible. This platform supports API integration. Okay, so there are a lot of CRM vendors we have done tie-up, and if you are using any CRM, so that can be easily accessed this cloud telephony platform. Okay. Also, this platform provides our missed call services. So if you are expecting that you want to publish phone number and your customer can just give the missed call and you can get the database, so that is also available. If you are doing any kind of marketing activities or campaign, you run any campaign, so this can be achieved through this platform by using the outbound dialer. Okay, so this platform supports auto dialer as well as the call broadcasting. Okay, so you can just upload your database and you can schedule your campaign, and based on that, this system will blast the calls. Okay, so this kind of features is available with this platform. So this is complete voice communication suite. So based on your requirement, we can just offer the features. Now I will talk about some of the use cases. Yes, so during this pandemic, this BPO company was a bit worried how to run their business during this work from home, because call center business is typically office operated solution, I can say. So wherein you can see that there are a lot of infrastructure required to run this kind of business. But in case of work from home, so this company was a bit worried how they can build this call center infrastructure in each and every employee's home. Okay, so they were expecting some kind of solutions wherein they can just start their business smoothly. So we have offered this cloud telephony platform, and this all the features requested by this or required by this organization is configured. Okay. So generally in call center, there is some features, typical feature like call monitoring, call barging, or call whispering, or call sticky agent, or CRM integration. So these are the typical features generally a call center setup uses. Okay, so we have developed all these features and we have provided to this particular organization. So this use case is one from the very I can say micro SME, and they are providing the modular kitchen services to their client. So whether they are a commercial or residential clients. Okay, the basic challenge for this organization is that, okay, so they wanted to reduce their operational cost. Okay, and also they wanted to offer the work from home as a permanent solution for their organization. So they were looking some voice-based solution wherein their customer can call on this particular number and their agent wherever they are. So whether they are traveling or whether they are in home, so they can just answer their call or they can make call to their client. So they were looking for such kind of services. So this challenges of this particular client is addressed by using this call smart flow solutions. Okay. This use case is for one of the restaurant, and this is the kind of unique use cases for this restaurant. So generally, what happened? The business problem statement for this restaurant is that so they were missing some critical information. Okay, so let's say for some client is asking Punjabi food, or some client was asking the Jain food, or some client was asking the less spicy food. So this kind of minor details they were missing, and accordingly they were getting the complaint from their client. So they were expecting some kind of solutions wherein they can record this kind of details on the real-time basis. Okay, so with this platform, we have enabled this feature wherein their agents or their employee, they can just capture complete requirement from the client, and this requirement is just passed to their shapes. Okay, so based on that, this requirement, their shape can make the food. Okay, so we have provided this smart flow solutions. So one of more cases is from the one of the logistic company wherein they were looking for some automation. So generally this logistic company is providing the cab services to their client, and generally in night shift. So they were expecting some kind of automation wherein the call is directly blasted by some of the system to all the drivers, and this call is nothing but a wake up call, so that their driver can just ready to take the trips. Okay, so we have done this call broadcasting solution for this particular client, and wherein we have defined the complete schedule of all their drivers, all their bus routes, and based on that schedule, the system will just generate the wake up call to all their drivers. Even this system will accept the input whether their driver is ready to take the trip or not. Basis on that, they can have some kind of alternate plan. Okay, so this kind of services we have offered. This use case is for one of the homeopathic clinic. Okay, and this is a very well-known doctor based out of Aurangabad, and they were looking for IVR services, wherein their patient can call on one number, and based on their requirement, the call will be routed to the desired person. So we have provided this IVR services by using this smart flow platform. So there are multiple use cases, whether it's a big organizations or small organizations or micro SMEs, small companies, they are using this kind of technology to run their business. Okay. So this is a very good solution. Probably you can just check or you can just try to explore this kind of services for your business or use cases. Okay. Now I will talk about the smart internet. So I have mentioned that there are a lot of cyber attacks are happening, and each and every organizations are bit concerned about their data protection, data security. So keeping in mind, we have started this smart internet. So this is internet plus security solutions. Okay. So here we are providing just an internet lease line along with the DNS security and along with the managed services. So this is the I can say bundled services offered by Tata Tele Business Services with their our our internet lease line. Okay, as we have referred this smart internet. So in here we are providing a web panel, and through web panel you can just configure your security policies. So you want any kind of content filter or website filter. So this kind of policy you can configure in your panel, and that policy will be applied on your smart internet subscription. Okay. SD-WAN. So nowadays, yes, probably you have experienced that the internet users has increased. Okay. So even this work from home or hybrid working culture, so everybody requires some kind of internet link to run their business, right? Whether it's a broadband or internet lease line. So during this hybrid working scenario, yes, it's a very important for each and every organization that how their employee can access their corporate network, or how their branch can access their centralized servers or cloud-based servers. Okay. So keeping in mind, we have started this software-defined wide area network, and by using this kind of technology, you can just access all your applications and servers, or you can establish connectivity between your HQ to branch offices, or your data center to your branch offices. Okay, and this is a I can say latest WAN technology, and probably this is a very good technology, I can say, wherein you can just configure multiple features. Okay, so here you can configure the WAN optimization. So whether if you have a two service provider link and you wanted the auto failover, or both the service provider link can work as active, so this type of configuration can be done. And also this is provided as a managed services or as a bundled services. So you need not to invest on any of the hardware. So whatever the hardware required to build this setup, so that is provided by Tata Tele Business Services. Okay, so also the best part of this SD-WAN technology is that this is coming with the security features. So here we are providing the UTM box, and this UTM box is providing the complete your data security. This is kind of architecture you can just explore for your use cases, wherein, let's say, for example, if you have a MPLS connectivity, and by using this MPLS connectivity, you are just accessing your intranet applications. So by using SD-WAN, you can just route all your internet applications through through MPLS. And if you are also using some public cloud hosted applications, so you can use your internet lease line or internet connectivity to access your public hosted application. So this type of bifurcations you can use by using this SD-WAN. Also, you can define which traffic should go to which link. So this type of categorization you can do in SD-WAN. Zoom, so probably everybody is aware what is Zoom. Okay, so Zoom is a collaboration platform, and wherein you can have the audio, video, and web conferencing. Okay, so this is nowadays every organizations need this kind of services to have the virtual meetings or virtual discussions. Okay. And keeping in mind, we have done type with Zoom, and we are providing their services. Okay, so there are two types of services we are offering. One is the Zoom meeting, and second one is the Zoom webinar. So Zoom meeting is nothing but it's a two-way communications, wherein host and participant can have the interaction. While in Zoom webinar, this is the one-way communication, wherein the host or panel of speaker can speak, and rest participant can be on listen only mode. Okay. So these two services we are offering. And also there are a lot of features Zoom are extending. So you can have the unlimited conferencing call, you can have the marathon meeting, single meeting can go up to 30 hours. Also you can find the cloud recording. Okay, there is a live transcription. If there are multilingual people joined in that conference call, so there will be a transcription available so that you can understand what what they are talking. Okay. Also, there are a lot of security feature incorporated by the Zoom. So this platform is well secured by using the 256-bit TLS or AES encryption. So a lot of features are available in this platform. Okay. Now, probably you can just subscribe our social media sites like to just get the latest update of what is our new offering. Okay. And also this is our capability. And as a Tata Television Services, we are present across India. All the major cities, tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 cities, we are present and we can offer our services. And also, we have a very good fiber presence across India. So we have more than 125,000 kilometer optical fiber network across India. We are serving more than 40,000 SME customers across India. And probably you might know that we are not doing a direct business. We are doing our business with the help of our channel partners. So we have a very good channel partners team. So generally they are interacting with you for any kind of sales service and support. Okay. This is our complete product portfolio. So we are serving enterprise business from last 15 years, and basis on our own experience, basis on our customer feedback, we have designed and developed this complete product portfolio. So yes, as a telecom service provider, our main business is the connectivity. Okay, so in connectivity, we are providing voice and data connectivity like Internet Use Line, MPLS VPN, SD-WAN, or voice services, PRA and SIP-trunk. But apart from this basic connectivity, also we are providing a different kind of solutions like security, cyber security, I have mentioned. So in cyber security, we are providing this email security, endpoint security, virtual firewall, web security. All these are the cloud-based services. So you need not to build any kind of infrastructure, or you need not to have any kind of server. Okay, so there will be a web panel, and through this web panel, you can just configure your policy, and this policy will be applied based on your requirement. Okay, so this kind of cybersecurity solutions we are providing. Collaboration, I have already discussed that we have done tie-up with Zoom. Cloud, we are providing the virtual server. Okay, so you can just host your applications or resources, or you can provision the resources, and you can access from anywhere. If you are doing a marketing activity, so we are providing this marketing solution. So we are providing a bulk SMS gateway solution. So you can send any transaction or promotional SMS, bulk SMS to your client. Also, there is a toll-free number. So this is a unique number, and you can publish this number on your website, or you can share with your customers so that they can just call on this number, and you can just respond that. In IoT, that is the kind of LBS solutions, location-based services, wherein we are providing asset management, fleet management, school bus tracking, workforce tracking. So basically, this is a tracking solution. So here we are providing a web panel, and in this web panel, you can get the real-time location detail of your things. Okay. So these are the portfolio we have, and I believe this is my last slide. So that's it from my side. And if you have any question, you can just post your question in chat window. So probably I will try to answer your question. So thank you. Over to you, Sudesh.
Thank you very much, Yogesh sir. It was very informative and very well inside. Going forward, I'm just looking if we have any question. As if of now we don't have, so we push to our feedback session. Request you all participants, please. Feedbacks are very important, and it will help us to improve further. So feedback again, there are 4 feedback, and they will be going to appear in the poll section column only. The first feedback, which is available and live on your screen, is: can you rate us on the overall experience? Excellent, good, average, poor. You have 15 seconds. The second feedback is live on your screen. Can you please rate us on a speaker insight? Excellent, good, average, poor. Third poll feedback is like on your screen. Can you rate us on a product insight? And the last, can you just rate us on the overall virtual platform experience? Thank you very much. Thank you for participating actively in the feedback as well as in the poll. Yogesh sir, we don't have any question. Audience, we request you all, if you have any query, you can reach out to us on www.tatatele.co.in, and our team will be happy to solve your queries. Thanks once again, Yogesh sir. Thanks for the all the participants for being on time and being a nice audience. Please take care of your loved ones and your family members, and please follow the COVID protocol. We are ending the webinar here.
Yeah,
Thank you once
thanks,
again, Yogesh sir.
Sudesh. Thanks, everyone. Yeah.